there, and welcome to October collaboration hop featuring Spellbinders kits. And this hop is organized by Lynn Van. Thank you, Lynn, for another phenomenal collaboration hop. And today we are going to play with two kits from Spellbinders, and one kit, this one here, is a quick card club of the month. This is all the little cute goodies that I have in here, leftover goodies, believe it or not. And I am also going to link a video up there so you can go and refer and see what I made with this kit and how many cards I actually made with this kit. It's unbelievable. And next, of course, I'm going to use Spellbinders Wax Seal of the Month. Of course, it wouldn't be me if I didn't use wax seals, right? And that's what we're going to create today. I'm also going to link this video on what I created with Spellbinders Wax Seal of the Month. Make sure you follow up and watch all these videos, because there's a lot of cool goodies you can see and get. And don't forget to subscribe, share, and like the videos. Now let me show you what we're gonna make. As I said, so I am going, because this is going to be pretty fast. I like to turn on my electric heater here. This is for wax seals, pardon. And I have Spellbinders jar of wax. Now this wax came or comes for October. In October kit, wax seal kit, and as well as this beautiful stamp that says Merry Christmas to you, and you'll be able to see that in just a little bit. Now, what are we going to do with this kit? Well, since I have a lot of leftovers there, I decided to make some tags, because I always need tags for my Christmas presents. I cannot have enough. Now, I had these punchers from forever ago. These are by Weird Memory Keepers, and they create two different tags. As you can see, one is a little bit fancier. The other one is kind of pretty simple. And both of these punchers have 2.5, 2-inch, and 1.5-inch tags. So here, I have some leftover cardstock. This is watercolor cardstock, and what I am going to do is just simply punch it. Just cut your paper to a desired size that coordinates with the puncher and simply punch, and the tags are done. Okay, so for all of you who have never watched wax seals before, all you have to do is pour the wax right onto the silicone mat. I put a lot of wax on in my spoon, but that is okay, because I am going to need a lot of wax seals, and all you have to do is just simply stamp gently on that wax, just directly. If your stamp is not moving away from your wax, please don't force it. You will just make it worse or make one big mess. All you have to do is wait for your wax to cool down for a few seconds. It doesn't take that long. You can usually see it when the wax loses its shine. That is the time to take your wax seal off with no issues. As you can see, absolutely beautiful. And now, for all of you who are here for the very first time, first and foremost, thank you for being here and thank you for showing your support. And second thing, here is a quick tip on how is it that I like to clean my wax seal spoons. I always have the spatula, and whenever I'm doing the last seal, I like to scrape all that wax off that spoon so there is not a lot of wax that I'm actually wasting. As you can see, my spoon came out pretty clean. And next I'm gonna just stamp again like so and move to cleaning my wax. I have just a simple baby wipe, and I like to just wipe my little, this is my little silicone spatula. And for my wax seal stamp, I would just put it on my wax seal and simply clean. Now, one more tip that I like to give to everybody is if you have a spoon like this one, make sure when you clean it to put it down on your table. First, it's hot and you don't want to touch any part of that metal. That's one thing. And second thing, when you put it down on your surface, it's easier to wipe it clean because you are not gonna bend it. And when you bend it, you can easily break it. Yes, that's how fragile these spoons are. And next, all I do is wipe clean my little heat tool while it's nice and hot and turn off that heat. I'm not going to use it anymore. I'm done with my wax seal. I can turn it off now and just grab my little baby wipe here and simply clean the insides of that while it's still hot. But please, please, please make sure you don't burn yourself, because this thing gets really, this little guy here, sorry about that, it gets really hot very fast, and you really don't want to burn yourself. So just watch. But here we go. Now it's nice and clean and ready for future uses. And here is my favorite part, assembly. I have already picked which pieces I want to put on my tags, and all I'm doing is gluing them with some liquid adhesive directly on my tags. And some of these pieces are going to have a little bit of that dimension, and I used foam squares that were included in the kit as well. Now is the time for me to thank Lynn Van for organizing this hop, and please don't forget to hop along and like and share, and of course subscribe to all of our videos. I'm pretty sure you're gonna like what you see. So that's it. One tip, do not throw this away when you're done with it. All of this has adhesive on it, and you can definitely use that to make your cards. So don't throw that away. And that is what we created today. Look at these beauties. Oh, I love how that turned out. One more thing that I like to add to my wax seal stamps is just a little bit of that glimmer with my marker. Now this marker comes in a set with that little tool, melting tool that I have. it works very well with wax seals. It was actually meant for it or made for it. It does not rub off, and I really like it. It's very smooth when it's applied to your wax seals. So you can use that if you want. So that is all I have for you today. We created some super cool and super fast tags with beautiful, quick, and easy card kit of the month from Spellbinders, and of course the fabulous wax seal of the month from Spellbinders, which I highly recommend you get. And that is all. Thank you, Lynn, for organizing this hop. And again, thank you all for being here. Do not forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and please follow us all along, see what we have created for you, and see you soon with another video. Bye-bye.